LED ceiling fan light, gonna hang above. Let's show you what you get inside, how easy these are to install, and what they're good for summertime, wintertime, to cool off the place and to blow the heat in the air. So let's show you how to hook this bad boy up and what you get. Always when doing a job, you get some gloves, you get screws, wire nuts, anchors. You get additional screws and bolts for the remote control and bracket. The gloves do fit. They do a nice job. You get the ceiling fan. You have silver, white, clear plastic blades. Easy to clean. You have the mounting bracket on top that's going to unscrew. And we're going to go to hook this up right over here. You have an instruction guide. It's 2.8 kilograms in weight. It has 6 speeds from 2000 plus Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. So let's go hang this bad boy, show you how to hook it up. Use the finer screws so this way you can put everything up and hang up correctly. Hang on the wall. Add in your own AAA batteries. Test to see if the blue light works. You have an on and off. You have 6 speeds. You have the fan stop. You have the brightness in Kelvin and temperature controls. You have your timer switch and night light. Remove the screws that hold the bracket. Spin off the cover. Lift up and off. And place onto a wall. Your electric is off, snake your leads through, and lock your plate down to the best you can. Hook your AC up, that you take your neutral. You have here are locking tabs that you could simply just put the screws back on and locking into place. When you turn your electric on, the light will light up. We're going to dim down our other lights so you can see the product lit up. We have the remote control that you have the on and off switch here and the light switch here. Shut the light off, turn the light on. We have the mouse with 6 fan speeds. Put it on speed number 3. You can hear the quietness of the fan. Speed number 6. And the stopping. This is the Fan Lamp Pro. If I need to delete off a device, I can do so. I need to hit the plus, name the device, and the device is named. I click on a device, and the way the fan is going to operate now is plug it in, turn the power on, and within 5 seconds, you need to hit this button over here. The light turns on. When I hit the button over here, we got acknowledgement. I could take the fan and I can turn the fan on by hitting the fan over here, and then I can control the fan speeds. If I want to do the light, I can do the light over here, dim it down. Some of the features and functions do not go to this fan, like here, the color choice. I could pick my color, green, and so forth. That goes to different models. I have a light Kelvin, cool, medium, and warm, and so forth. I have a night light mode, an RGB mode optional, and a light mode here. I have here is a timer, which I need to confirm and cancel from 1 to 8 hours. And I have a wind speed that I can increase, decrease, and reverse as well. I could turn the light off and on. I'm going to leave it off for now. I could turn the fan speed off as well. There's a lot you can do with the app. It protects your hand, low profile to the ceiling, place anywhere you like indoors with enough light and cooling and warming the area with your heat. Wintertime air goes up, summertime the air goes down. I hope you enjoy your LED ceiling fan. Thank you for viewing.